Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review ONEPay. ONEPay is a digital bank app backed by Walmart that offers a fee-free debit card, mobile payments, and cashback rewards, especially for Walmart shoppers. It's easy to use and many users like the simple interface, quick transfers, and lack of monthly fees. The app also helps with building credit and supports mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Customer service is often fast and helpful through live chat. However, there are some downsides. Many users report app glitches, login issues, and freezing, which can be frustrating. The rewards program is sometimes confusing with unclear promo terms and delays in receiving cashback. A few users have reported issues with fraud or receiving cards they didn't order, raising concerns about account security. Some also find the customer service inconsistent, with occasional delays or mixed responses. While ONEPay offers convenient digital banking with useful perks, its reliability and clarity around rewards still need improvement. Overall, it's a decent option for simple, everyday banking, but not ideal if you want a 100% glitch-free or fully secure experience. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.